first ball of the playoffs is a wide.
जरा क्विक रिकैप दे देते हैं इनको रूल्स का प्लेऑफ्स वाला.
Here we go, Advait Sawant versus Aditya Pawar. The man who took his team into the qualifier one was the man who hit the highest individual total. Oh, and that's, I reckon, a no ball? No, it isn't.
थोड़ा हाई लगा इधर से भी.
An appeal of caught behind, but no, says the umpire. Cleaned him up. Advait Sawant gets his first. The danger man from the previous game who took his team to the distance will unfortunately go back to the pavilion after Advait Sawant's quick delivery.
पता कैसा है? और बड़ा है और शरीर भी ज़्यादा है वो.
Go umpires are fixing the stumps now. All done, all dusted.
सिंगल बॉल मंडलाने बंडाई की वो कंडीशन का नहीं.
Oh, hit on the leg side, no, says Dheeraj. That's a little low full toss. Three hands done. So far, a really great economical over by Advait Sawant. A wicket only single. Body. And that's it for the over, which is 3 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. Superstars at the end of the first over.
अब मिल जाएगा, जा तू. 4-5 बचा उसमें, उसको भेजा घर पे फालतू में. खिलने बहुत है. You're doing very good. But I tell you, I called you. After the match. इंग्लिश चश्मा लग रहा है. वो उसका बॉलर का है.
That's one declare given. Pankaj, the next over bowler, I forgot to mention, already has 2 man of the matches in 2 matches. And that's dispatched on the leg side for the first 6 of the game by Dheeraj Banka. If any man can get them to a good total, it's this man right here. There was one, Aditya Pawar, but he departed early, and there's plenty of superstars left in the batting dugout. And another short ball chance of a catch out. Oh no, that's dropped. That's not a catch you want to drop. That's not the player you want to drop. That's going to cost them heavy, I assure you that. Dheeraj Banka has been dropped on 8 runs, which is now converted into 12. And converted again, what is it? 4. As I said, that's going to cost them heavily. 4 more to add into his account. Oh, they didn't travel much. Oh, chance of a run out. Oh, it's a miscommunication, and Sandeep Chiplunka has been run out. He smiles, not taking it into heart, understanding that it's genuinely a mistake, nothing personal. Great man there. I mean, had it been anyone else, he would have been angry. Which brings out Samir Jaiswal, the man of the match of the previous match. Last 2 deliveries left of the second over.
हाँ? 2 कौन दिया मुझे? पता नहीं.
A short break. Can I know who threw the ball into the non-striker's end?
नाम क्या नाम?
Name. And that's dispatched again. Chance of a catch out. It misses his fingers and goes for a 6. Even after the run out, Dheeraj Banka is not going to stop. And at the end of 2 overs, the score is 24 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. Their current run rate of 12 runs. Dheeraj Banka on 22 runs, and Samir Jaiswal, the new batsman, haven't faced any balls yet on 0. Dheeraj Banka having hit 2 4s and 2 6s with a strike rate of 275.00. With Advait Sawant bowling the first over, getting 3 runs, conceding and getting 1 wicket. And Pankaj Gupta bowling his over, conceding 21 runs with no wicket.
दवाई के बाद में थोड़ा टाइम हो जाने में मैं भी चाय पीता हूँ. दवाई.
And the third over is their spinner, Arvind, aka Alu.
24.
The slow left arm spinner who is giving a hard time to everyone. Oh, cut. And Samir preventing the ball to hit from the stump.
24. 2 विकेट गिरा. 2 थोड़ा हुए. अब तो पावर हाँ कर लिया. तो अजय ने बोल्ड कर दिया.
Second ball looked big Looked forward to hit it big but couldn't. 1 run given. And now Dheeraj Banka, the hard hitter versus the mysterious bowler. This is going to be a competition worth watching. Oh, swing and a miss. He even deceives the danger man, Dheeraj Banka. Already halfway. It's the over. Only 1 run conceded so far. And that's been given a wide by the umpire. And that's hit big on the offside. 1 bounce goes for a boundary. It's a great judgment. Moved his feet and drove the bat across the offside. Goes on for a 4.
बैठना भाई, घूम क्यों रहा है? बाजू में बैठ जा.
On the back foot, long offside, 3 bounce into the hands of the fielders. Will only take a single and Samir Jaiswal on strike. Arvind, Samir has have a hard time facing Arvind. Swing and a miss. Oh no, it's a wide. As I said, in their previous battle, Arvind made him miss almost 10 deliveries. Swing and a miss again. Samir is frustrated. And that marks the end of this over, and the score is 32 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. Samir on 1 run. Dheeraj Banka on 27 runs facing 11 deliveries.
इसमें तो खत्म है वो तो. पानी दो ना, पानी बोतल नहीं है क्या? आपने डगआउट से भी मांगा, उनके पास रहेगा. भाग के लाने बोले उनको. Ashwani.
Ashwani is going to bowl the 4th over. And for some reason, Ashwani, you have your entire address on Crick Heroes app. Ashwani Kumar, A 2002 White City, to bowl from right arm over. Yeah, I'll visit your house soon, don't worry.
We'll have a tea on a tea.
Straight, 1 bounce into the hands of Arvind. Good throw. Corner midfielder going to steal a single. It is a chance. No, says Dheeraj Banka. Samir was already halfway through the field. They are not taking the risk.
आओ बंका जी को चाहिए था, मांगेंगे तो. बंका जी.
Cut, gone behind, no runs. The man of the match of the previous instance is having a hard time connecting the ball. Yeah, don't threaten me, I'm just a commentator. It's in the air. Is it a catch? No, it isn't. It goes for boundary. I think my comment made you hit that 4. Thank me later. Samir Jaiswal finally gets a boundary. Gets off the mark. And we're halfway through the over. It's the ball, chance of a single. Yes, it is. Comfortably run taken, which brings Dheeraj Banka to strike.
बाल कैसे हो के आ रहे हैं इधर?
And that's gone. Is it a catch out? Yes, it is. Owner of Shahenshahs dismisses owner of Superstars with a catch. Ashwani has a wicket in his bag. Shouldn't ask you, but can I please know the catcher's name? Pranesh. Okay, Pranesh. Thank you. Pranesh takes the catch of Dheeraj Banka.
बोला ओनर को डिसमिस कर दिया.
Okay, co-owner it seems. Siddhant is also an owner. My bad for not mentioning you, Siddhant. Don't be bad. So the owner took the owner's catch. Ashwani to Sandesh Vartak now. Oh, that's the inside edge. One bouncing runs with the fielders. He's going to try for a direct hit. There's a chance of another run, but no. Advait has the ball.
किसका फोन है? You be friends at किसी White City के प्लेयर का है. देखो.
Power play signaled by the umpire, which brings us to the fifth over. And after 4 overs, the Superstars are the 39 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. Currently playing at the run rate of 9.75. Sameer Jaiswal at 6 runs with 6 balls played with a boundary, and Sandesh Vartak with 1 run and 1 ball played. And Advait Sawant returns for the power play over. With only 3 runs conceded in the first over, with bowling out, not bowling out, he bowled out.
Advait Sawant.
He bowled Aditya Pawar, who was the majority of the reason Superstars qualified into this match pretty early. And here we go. Base on, swing and a miss. First ball is a dot ball. Second ball, that's a good length. And that's also a miss.
अंपायर क्या दिखा रहा है?
One declare.
हाँ 22 1 declare.
Okay, that is buys, 1 declare, not a dot ball indeed. The third ball, that's a great delivery in misfield. Will it go for a 4? Yes, it will. Pranesh ran a great distance but could not stop the ball in time, and Advait has been hit for a 4, and great shot by Sandesh. Drove the ball across offside, missed by Arvind and missed by Pranesh afterwards. Oh, and that's hit the bat and it's its leg. They'll take a sneaky single.
आगे बोलते थे मेरे ऊपर रहेगा ना, रुक गए तू दूर चले जाएगा, दूर नहीं रहेगा तो.
One bounce in Pranesh's directions, misfield. 2 is the call. No, he says, oh no. In big trouble, and quickly he runs and dashes into the curtain. Sameer goes for the 2. Nice delivery of Advait's over. Tried for Walker. Oh, easy run out and Samir Jaiswal departs on the last ball of the power play. A premature end to a promising start. He's gone.
Keeper name Girish Chopra.
He departs for 8 runs made with the boundary.
अपडेट एक मिनट पता नहीं इसको इसको पूछ लो ना भाई पेड़ हो
अपडेट हो रहा है 1 मिनट बता देना हुआ
दोनों गिरीश चोपड़ा डाल रहा है थ्रो कौन किया
हमें बॉल चेंज करेंगे थोड़ा सा निकल जाए पर फट जाएगा पर निकल जाएगा
उनसे भी पूछ लेना फिर बोल झगड़ा ना हो ताकि दोनों गन दोनों टीम से कंफर्म कर लो ना क्या
फट गया बॉल
ये डेड बॉल है
Oh no, what do we have here? This is a dead ball. Samir, you have another chance. The ball has been torn. It's a hole in the ball. दूसरा जीवन प्राप्त किया गया है आपको. फील्ड पे वापस आइए. Superstars, are you deliberately drilling holes in the balls to your favor? This is the second time. Please, I need to check your pockets. Yeah, I can see Rowdies, you are also upset. Arshid, can you please check their pockets? They might have something sharp. Yes, you can say yes.
नया नहीं है ना ये वाले क्या
Okay. Advait, come back for the final delivery.
जुना बोल सब क्या हुआ है
This is not SGK's tournament. We won't restart.
होल कर रहे मेरे को लग रहा है जेब में रखा है कुछ उन लोग ने
I think we're going to have to make this a standard procedure to check every superstar player's pockets before their match. 47 runs. Advait to bowl this final ball again. Samir, you are one lucky man. Convert this.
Pressure. Motivate.
Oh, swing and a miss. But at least, hey, that's better than being called out.
स्कोर 47 ना
Okay, changes nothing. The score after 5 overs is 47 runs for the loss of 3 wickets.
क्या एक जगह
The spinner, the mystery spinner, left arm slow Arvind returns for his second spell against Sandesh and Sami again. But the superstars players, starting with the letter S, have majority of their players named starting with the letter S. Steps forward, chance of a stumping, no. Misses it completely.
हाँ सर बोलो ना
ये फट गया बॉल ये दूसरा बॉल है ये सही है ना
सही लेकिन जाता
हाँ मैं निकल रहा हूँ सर्किट
Steps forward and this time he hits it big, straight down the ground and goes for 6. Great shot. That is the shot he was looking forward to play in the very first delivery. Fumble he missed. He was at a risk of being stumped out, but he didn't. And now he plays the shot he was looking forward to. We will now move on to the third delivery of this over. Steps forward, goes big, one bounce into the hands of the owner, the co-owner. Yeah, you're also the owner. I haven't forgotten. And he is being, oh no, oh another. Sameer, you are very lucky. Two times. You have cheated being out.
ऋषि क्या कह रहे हैं?
बोल रहा है कि मैं इधर आऊंगा।
Again has dropped Sameer. Steps down, no, misses, oh. No, says the umpire. When is Sameer's luck gonna run out? Is he gonna stay not out till the end of the innings? His smile says yes. He's been given 2 chances. Steps forward into the leg side, 1 bounce into the hands of Pankaj.
लास्ट बॉल है कि ओवर?
Update. At the end of 6 overs, the score is 56 runs for the loss of 3 wickets.
ओवर ही बोला।
Over. Hey, Heroes is showing over. Score is 56 runs for the loss of 3 wickets.
पहला उसको इधर पहले इधर
अरे रवि को रुक जा।
रहो ना
Ashwani to return. The man with the address as his name. It's in the air, oh no, that could be caught, no, it hits the curtain. Close call.
क्या था भाई बोलेगा
Dot ball given. High enough, not close enough to be caught, not far enough to be declared a 1 declared.
रवि कहाँ पहुँचा यार? कब तक आ रहा है? हाँ? तो क्या? हाँ जल्दी आ।
Straight down, chance of a catch out, no, it hit his hand, but it deflected and went for a 6. Great effort by Advait Sawant. For a moment it looked like it had actually gripped his hand, the ball. He was running, he was at a high pace, couldn't control the speed, and the ball deflected and went for a 6 straight down the ground.
चले 2 बॉल हुए ना
चश्मा कौन से ब्रांड का है? पहनो एक बार। कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा है। मस्त है। लिंक मिलेगा तो लिखा रहेगा तो ब्रांड।
भाई
अब है?
भाई और
इसमें आपका है? अब है? कहाँ से लिया आपने याद है? इनने? कौन सा है ये चश्मा? याद है क्या? टोपी में मत मार देना।
पीछे जाएगा चेयर पे के मारना तेजी से मारना तेजी से पीछे गिरा दे सही है
Local cricket problems, the ball is stuck
मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ क्या यार?
in the tent above the commentary panel.
डरना है उसके ऊपर किससे मार?
वो साइड टकल
जोर से मार एक बार।
And the ball is back.
कहाँ से इसको ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर किया था भाई
कहाँ से मंगाया था ये चश्मा? मस्त है एकदम। कितने में पड़ा था?
गाड़ी है
मस्त एकदम। मैंने तो देखा एक तो ओपली का मिलता है एकदम महंगा और एक DSC का मिलता है 1800 का। इसके अलावा पता नहीं होगा।
Wide ball given.
थोड़ा बैंड हो गया अभी।
हाँ
थोड़ा बैंड हो गया।
पहले से स्टार्ट हो गया
3-2 54
66।
अरे 66 है।
ये किसका है?
बॉल कितना हुआ? तेरे टेबल क्यों आ रहा है?
3 बॉल हुआ ना भाई।
Wide ball again.
इसको 65 होगा? 65 एक वाइट डाला।
हाँ
वाइट प्लस 0 सही है वाइट प्लस 0 डालो 2 डब्बा जैसा फालतू में जा रही आ गया
Full toss, punished, 6 again. Different ball, same story, straight ahead, goes for a maximum.
क्या हुआ भाई? आगे ले हो क्या? कहाँ जा रहे हो? कहीं के लिए?
इधर कोई शुक्ला आएगा।
शुक्ला नहीं आ रहा है?
आएगा 4 बजे।
ये डाले क्या?
Short ball, one bounce into the hands of May. Comfortable single, which brings the luckiest man of today's era, Sameer, back on strike.
टोपी भी दे भाई। टोपी तो ना आप दिखो उठाने के लिए। फटेला हुआ है तो।
It's in the air, one bounce and 4. That's quite an expensive over there by Ashwani. He hardly gives away any runs. And we now move on to the final over of this innings, and after the end of 7 overs, the score is 76 runs for a loss of 3 wickets. Sandesh Warthak playing a good knock, 27 runs, 15 deliveries, 1 4 and 3 sixes. Sameer Jaiswal, 13 runs, 10 balls, 2 fours. Score is 76 runs for the loss of 3 wickets.
आप अपडेट कर रहे हो ना?
मैं घरे भेज देता हूँ अखंड को बोला अखंड क्या तुम निकल जाती है
संदेश ना
तो उसका पाव काम है कुछ अखंड को कॉल कर जा रहा अखंड खाली रहेगा वो तस्वीर में रहता है अखंड का नंबर है
नहीं नंबर तो नहीं
नंबर तो देता हूँ एक वही के बाद
Swing and a miss by Sandesh. Last over to be rolled by Girish Chopra, the captain. Straight down, Sandesh's favorite shot of this day, hitting straight sixes by bashing the ball. Chance of a catch, no it doesn't, will go for 1 declare.
और ब्रावो बोलो आप प्रैक्टिस चल रही बढ़िया
Charges, 1 bounce into the hands of the co-owner.
गाँव है क्या चोरी से गाँव
Oh, that's a great delivery. Sameer misses. Oh, Pankaj is threatening to run out Sandesh. And which brings us to last ball of this innings. We are currently at 84 runs. Will it go to 90? Yes, it will. 90 runs on the board, which makes the target 91 for the Shahinshahs, currently unbeaten, to chase down in 8 overs. 91 to chase. So really great batting by Sandesh Vartak. 35 runs, 19 balls, 1 4 and 4 sixes. Sameer Jaiswal following up by 19 runs in 12 balls with 2 4s and a 6.
ये क्या सर बोलो ऋषि सर. अरे सॉरी सर, तेरा फोन मम्मी के पास दिया चिराग ने.
That's a rare sight. Both the co-owners are opening the innings for Team Shahinshahs. Siddhant on strike. Pranesh on non-strike and the bowler Vivek Chauhan to start off things, who is currently, I believe, the highest wicket taker of the tournament. It's a great shot, comfortably will get a single to start off things. And that's a clear no ball.
क्या 1 डिक्लेयर किया?
No +1 declare given by the umpire. Free hit coming up. And free hit utilized well. One bounce and goes for 4.
हेलो अरे इवेंट कहाँ पे वो पूछ रहा है
Oh, cut for 1 declare.
उधर ही है आसिफ बोल रहा था किसका फोन बोल रहा
And that's a short ball and a dot ball. Ganesh looked forward to hit it big, but couldn't find the right spot.
हाँ ठीक है
Edged and dropped, it seems. Sneakily stolen a single. Last ball of this over, 9 runs so far given. Charges the ground, grounded shot, will comfortably get another single. So at the end of the first over, we are at 10 runs for the loss of 0 wicket. The first power play is done and dusted. And the second over, hold on, okay. Did he open the innings? No? Did he open?
ओपन नहीं किया ना इनने? हाँ ठीक है.
Okay, you're good to go. Bowler's name Sameer Jaiswal.
फिर ओपनर बॉलिंग में रूल है प्लेऑफ में. याद रखना.
आज ओपन किया था.
हाँ. आज ही और कौन था वो? शुभलंकर. नहीं फिर मैच में लफड़ा हो जाता है. आज रन का पहले दिया. लेकिन नहीं
First ball on the offside. Caught well by the fielder.
उनका नाम क्या है? इसका भी नाम समीर है क्या?
And that's a direct ball, punished, it's in the air, who's catch? No one's catch, but at least it's not a boundary. They'll steal 2. It's hit the stumps. They've stolen 2 runs off a dropped catch. Dropped by Vivek Chauhan, saved by... And I know the fielder's name who threw the ball.
निखिल इनका जिसने फेंका
Oh, and that's a dot ball.
बॉल थ्रो किसने किया वो उधर वो जिसने कैच रोका छोटा निखिल ना वो उधर
छोटा विवेक ने पकड़ा निखिल
ना
Full toss punished on the leg side. This time there's no attempt of catch, it's just a plain 6 on the leg side over the cameraman's head.
वो वाला
Which brings us to the last ball of this over. We are currently at 19 runs for the loss of 0 wicket. Let's see if it decreases. I mean, it can't. Let's see if it increases or we lose a wicket or it stops. Here we go. Oh, chance of a catch. Oh, missed it. Not his fault. The ball was too high. Goes for a 4. With that we conclude the second over. With that the score is 23 runs for the loss of 0 wickets. Now Shenshas requires 68 runs and 36 deliveries. Pranesh Upadhyay at 19 runs, facing 10 balls, hit 2 fours with Siddhant Pawar at 3 runs, 3 balls faced, no boundaries so far. With a partnership of 23 runs and 13 balls faced altogether. The target on the board is 91. Dheeraj Banka, the new bowler, who's going to bowl the third over. Yeah, he's asking for water.
थोड़ा ही है उसमें
Third over, let's go. Chavis down the ground, grounded shot, chance of a run out, quick throw, no one to cover, chance of another, yes they will, yes he says, and they steal 2 runs. There should have been a man to cover that area. I mean, basic sense. And dropped again. Nonetheless, no runs given. Short ball and punished on the leg side. 4-6 for Siddhant. Great shot. It was a short ball, he picked the length correctly and whacked it across the leg side for a maximum.
किसका फोन Sapna Rani. Contact.
Oh, swing and a miss. Good comeback by Dheeraj Banka. Oh, and that's a great delivery. Chance of a catch out taken comfortably by... May I please know the catcher's name? Pranay. Tanay, okay, P. Great catch, Tanay. Which that, the very first wicket falls and the go-owner Siddhant departs to the batting dugout after scoring. scoring 11 runs and hitting 1-6. Siddhant returns and here comes the captain Girish Chopra. And the last ball of this over remains. A full toss played carefully not to give away his run. Oh, misfield. No, says Girish. Let me take the strike and handle things on my own. And with that we can see we are done. The 3 overs of play and the score is 32 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. Pranesh Upadhyay still standing tall on 19 runs. Shenshahs require 59 runs on 30 balls. Girish Chopra 1 ball faced, 1 ball faced and 1 run made. Piyush Banka good over, 9 runs conceded with a wicket. Sandesh and Sandesh about to bowl the next ball. Whacked into the leg side, you just do not want to bowl there. That's the no-no square. That's a no-no area to bowl, Girish. 6 on the very first ball he is bowling. It's come off quite a bit slow as well. 38. Slight changes in field. It appears that Sandesh is planning something. And Aditya Pawar, he moves Aditya Pawar out of the way for some reason. Here we go. He marks his run up a little longer this time. Whacked in the air, but on the one declare area. One declare given by the umpire. You want it to be a 6. But you can't have everything you want in life, can you now? Oh, that's a great Yorker by Sandesh. Restricted him to no runs. As the match is going comfortably well for the Shenshahs, so the superstars need a breakthrough badly. Oh, another good Yorker by Sandesh, he misses it, which brings Pranesh back on strike. That bounce a little more than it should have, and it's gone for 6. Yellow है वो. Last ball of this over, he bowled quite a couple of good deliveries with those Yorkers restricting Girish. And that's a full toss, but it hit the edge of the bat, could not convert it into a maximum. When the ball is turned, he's disappointed with himself, and that marks the end of the 4th over, and the score is 47 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. They require 44 runs in 24 deliveries now. Double. I mean, not double, but okay. Which brings us now to the power play over. Yeah, power play over, signaled by the umpire. I mean, usually it's Vivek Chauhan who bowls the first and the power play over. And it is Vivek Chauhan who's going to bowl the power play over.
गया काम से आपका. चाय पियो ना, चाय पियो. है ना गर्म, थोड़ा बहुत गर्म है. ना बाबा, मैच के लिए बचा के रखो एनर्जी. इतना भी गर्म नहीं है, पर रिलीफ मिलना चाहिए. अरे पियो पियो आराम से. और चाहिए तो बोलना.
In the air as Siddhant finally made its end. Punish has met its end after a good knock. Vivek Chauhan strikes again and now comfortably sitting with 9 wickets in his hand. He is currently the tournament's top wicket taker.
47 over. 44 चाहिए 23 बॉल में.
The new man in Advait Sawant, in his previous match he bashed the Sultan's bowlers and made 82 runs, the highest individual total of the tournament, but he was given a second chance via a drop catch. Let's see if superstars are keen on making that mistake of dropping his catch early. He's analysing the field. Looks where he's gonna hit, adjusts his pants, and here we go. Put the cap on. Oh, he pacifies the Yorker, converts it into a single. Not to play rash from the very first ball. Playing with the same duo who is responsible for the highest opening partnership of the tournament. Girish and Advait in the same team and in the same pitch currently. Oh, that's a great York delivery. Exactly showing everyone why he is the highest wicket taker. It's not a wide. Girish looked forward into leaving that ball because it seemed like a wide, but in actuality it wasn't one. 2 balls remaining of this over. 48 runs on the board currently. Short ball, it's in the end. Has Girish made its end? Yes, he has. Taken by Samir. Talk about utilizing. He's having a very lucky day indeed. Girish Chopra departs and the new man in is Pankaj Gupta.
Ashutosh, sorry.
My apologies, it was caught by Ashutosh. You guys are wearing the same colored hat, so I got confused. Credit where it's due, Ashutosh. Good catch.
Ananya.
Okay. 2 wickets in this over so far, which brings us to the last ball of this powerful over. Oh, 1 down, straight ahead. Single is the call. And that marks the end of a very good over.
42.
And the end of the power play. The score is 49 runs for the loss of 3 wickets after 5 overs. The last 3 overs of the game remain and the Shahinshahs require 42 runs in 18 deliveries.
आशुतोष बॉलर
पता नहीं, दोनों ने सेम कैप पहना हुआ है, भरोसा नहीं है. पनीर लग रहा है. 42 चाहिए 18 बॉल में.
Sameer Jaiswal gonna bowl another over. Sameer to Pankaj. Here we go. They need to hit big now. Oh, the ball kept low and it's given a wide. It appears that the pitch is starting to deteriorate a bit. I can see a little bit of dent on the pitch. Oh, Ashton gone behind. No, says. Oh, no, chance for an out directed. No, it misses nearly by an inch or two, I guess. Big risk there, big risk. Good call by Advait Sawant. Saved his partner. And now he comes to say a few words and maybe apologizing. Are you apologizing, Advait? Look at me. Short bounce and hut, says Pankaj, and says go away to the ball, and he hits it for the 6. And the score is 56 runs. You're supposed to ask me that after the end of the over. Two deliveries, 1 dot and 1 for a 6. Oh, edged and gone behind. The ball kept low. I think the key to bowling here is not give too much bounce and just keep it on the offside, or maybe just anywhere, but just not give enough bounce for the batsman to elevate their bat. Oh, and that's a white ball. That's a low full toss chance for a catch. Sandeep Shiblunga has taken it comfortably. Pankaj Gupta, the power hitter, has to depart. He hit a 6 and now he goes back to the batting dugout. This match is getting interesting. Who is going to sit comfortably in the final spot and will get a rest? Will it be Shahinshahs? Will it be Superstars? And the next batsman is Ashwani Kumar, A2002 White City.
Scored by Sandeep, na?
Huh? Score, wait a minute.
57.
Score is 57. You need 34 runs in 14 balls. And the last 2 balls of this over.
बैठ जाओ भाई, चेयर लेके बैठ जाओ. हाँ बैठो. स्कोर बोलता हूँ मैं हर ओवर के बाद, टेंशन नहीं है, जोर से सुनाई देगा.
And that's gone for the 6.
बिल्डिंग में रहता है, खींचते रहते हैं. वो कुछ नहीं बोलता, मैं खींचता हूँ. वो शांति से खेलता है, अच्छा खासा. काफी अच्छा. उसने एक ही बॉल खेला, बैटिंग सब करता है, सीजन खेलता है ना.
And that's a no ball. The ball slipped away from his hand, it seems, and which marks it a free hit. Ashwani will look forward to make it big. It's in the air. Oh no, catch out, but it doesn't matter. Oh no, and it's from a lid. Has it touched the curtain? Umpire, do not make any noise. It is the decision of the umpires. Please do not force them.
That's it.
The umpires are going to have a word. Do not force the umpires into any harsh force decision. What is it? Is it a 4 or is it a caught save?
6.
Waiting the umpire's decision, and it's given a 4. And also that marks the end of the 6th over. The score is 68 runs for the loss of 4 wickets. Shahinshahs required 23 runs in 12 balls. 4 sixes needed. Who is one cut it turns? Advait Sawant only faced one ball in this match so far. It's in the air. Is it Sandeep's catch number 2? Oh, what a catch! Dropped by 1, picked by 2. For a moment I thought I was going to watch a cartoon movie where both of the players dropped them. But Advait Sawant, unfortunately, one ball played, and for the second one he goes away. It was a long region. Was it caught by Sandeep or was it caught by Vivek? Okay, catch number 2 for Sandeep Chiplankar. New batsman in is Arvind. The match is getting competitive over here. We've seen all the totals majority go across 100 and they are being made 100, but this is a target below 100 and it's still competitive as well. That's a grounded shot into the hands of chance for an out, thrown at the wrong end. Misjudgment, did not see the bowler's end. What could have been will not do anything. Oh, that's a not over. He's asking, the balls have fallen. What is the umpire's decision? Umpire, what do you say? Out or not out? Out given by the primary umpire. What will you, the third umpire, say? The leg umpire. Is it out? Out. Yes, the wicket has been given and another wicket of the team Shahanshahs falls. In quick succession, superstars are making a comeback in the end. The new batsman name. Amay, the new batsman on strike. Amay Podar. Okay, 9 deliveries a lift. And the score has not moved. 23 still needed. 23 was still needed 3 deliveries ago. I believe if this match has to go somewhere, Ashwani has to return to strike to send the ball out of the ground. But that's their game plan. Weaver is not going to let them come on strike. And he's changing the field a bit. Stakes are high. The pressure is rising. The match is getting as interesting as it can. Here we go. And the connection and the grade 6 sent into the local Lola Foundation School. It's a Sunday, so there's no students, else even they would have cheered for that shot. What a great hit. There's a low full toss and 17 runs required now in 8 deliveries. This match keeps getting exciting, ball after ball. So we are demanding for a ball change over here. We need a ball. Score is 74 runs for the loss of 6 wickets. Last 2 balls of this over remaining. And after that is the final over. Currently, Team Shahanshahs needs 17 runs in 8 deliveries.
टीम को बुला दो इसके बाद आपको एलिमिनेट कर वो सब वहीं बैठे अच्छा
Here we go, high stakes match. Oh, and that's a wide. 16 runs in 8 balls now. Double of the deliveries. Oh, and in the air, chance of a catch out and taken. I believe you need to check the height of the ball. Am I signaling chance of a no? Is it normal delivery given by the umpire? No ball? No? Not a no ball, okay. Normal delivery, Amay, unfortunately. Another wicket, 75 runs for the loss of 7 wickets now. They are losing wickets in quick succession. As I said, the match keeps getting more thrilling, more entertaining and more exciting ball after ball. The new batsman name... Huh? Can you speak a little louder? I have bad hearing.
बैट्समैन नेम नाम तो बताओ शेखर
Shekhar facing the last ball of Dheeraj Banka. Oh, it's a connection. Now he says he wants to keep the strike. And that's a good decision, I must say. What a great over by Dheeraj Banka. And now we move on to the final over of the qualifier one match. Ashwani has the responsibility to strike 16 runs in an over. Who are they going to entrust the final over with? It is a very crucial decision they're going to have to make. And they are making sort of a hurdle, and Ashwani is requesting for a middle stump guard or a leg stump guard. I have no idea, I'm not on the field. And a team hurdle. Ashutosh very far from the team hurdle. I think he has no mood to join because he has to run for it. The score is 75 runs for the loss of 7 wickets. Shahenshahs requires 16 runs and 6 deliveries. 2 sixes and a 4 required, and who is it? To bowl the last over, is it Amit? Yes, it is Amit Tiwari. Amit Tiwari is going to bowl the last over. Right arm around the wicket. Oh, Ashwani versus Amit. Keeper has been changed. The field slightly changed. And there's a person on the leg side. I request please walk behind the curtain. Oh, that's our very own cameraman. Here we go, last ball of the qualifier one. Oh, it's in the air. Is it a catch? Is it a 6? 6 it is. The Shahenshahs move one step closer for the position of finalists. 10 runs required in 5 balls now. And Vivek Chauhan exchanging words of wisdom with Amit. Chauhan will, if you straight deliveries, Ashwani will look forward to finish the match as soon as possible. Yellow versus orange, here we go. 5 balls remaining, 10 balls, 10 runs needed. And that's a direct ball. Ashwani is asking for a no ball. Not given.
मेरा काम है पूछ ना क्या हुआ हाँ बदलू अच्छा मैं चालू करता हूँ
10 runs needed in 3 deliveries now. Oh, into the gap, into the hand of the fielders. He is denying it. As he knows, only he has the ability. For one moment, the match looked pretty easy. For one moment, the match is only a game of boundaries. He has to hit a boundary, else the Shahenshahs will be forced to play the qualifier number 2. It's in the air and goes for a 6. The Shahenshahs have one last ball to go and they need a boundary to win. Or they could run 3 runs to make it a super over. It is a playoff, so super overs can happen. Last ball of the qualifier one. Who will go to the finals? This ball is the deciding factor. Ashwani analyzing the field, where to hit. It's the goosebumps coming in. It's in the air and it is decided. Or has it? Catch has been dropped. They need to run to more to try it again. Oh, tampering with the field. Around Reds. Oh, Superstars have made a blistering comeback. Superstars are going into the finals after a hard-fought block. What a match! For one moment, the game was looking all gone. Till the final over, they fought well and they hand Shahanshahs their very first defeat of the tournament. Superstars are going into the finals after a very hard-fought knock. Ashwani fought hard. Can I please know who made the run out? Was it Vivek Chauhan? Yes? Okay. What a match we've seen. Ups and downs like a roller coaster ride. Shahanshahs at one point made it look too easy by hitting consecutive boundaries, and then Superstars fought back with taking consecutive wickets followed by adding on pressure with consecutive dot balls, and they kept on losing their key batsmen.